What's up guys, my name is Tony and today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a first look at the Fresh-Form SS Lululemon short sleeve shirt, and it's like an off-white gray type colorway in size extra large. Now before we do start, I'm affiliated with the Lululemon brand. I work for their head office downtown, so I do work for them. However, it doesn't affect a lot of stuff with these videos. With most of their tops I wear an XL, some is a large. I'm still trying to figure all that out. So here we have the XL. Now it does again look like that long line style that I had with that other one. I think the Fresh-Form is all long line, which I haven't been a super big fan of in the past, but I might be different on these. Some of them are like super long line, which I don't enjoy. But it is like a white right now with like a little bit of like a texture to it. Looks pretty interesting. Like the vent holes in the armpits. Let's go ahead and try it on and see how it fits. Okay, so here we have the Fresh-Form in the off-white color, size extra large. Now first off, I do like the little bit of like the texture that this thing has as well. Sometimes I'm not a super big fan of the long line style, but it actually looks like it fits really well. It's not super long, which is a little bit too much. This is really nice. The sleeve length maybe could be raised like an inch, but that's something that I can do myself very easily. But otherwise, I'm really happy. They also have all the vent holes in the bottom of the arms here as well, which are a really nice feature to have. They say super breathable, don't get stinky, fantastic. Do a turn. So there you guys go, there's today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna be the source for all things male Lululemon on YouTube, coming very soon. I will be #1. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and as always, thanks.